This is Stuti. I am an RPTN. Teacher. Teacher is the most important word in our life because whatever we want to be and whatever we want to achieve in our life, we can achieve with the help of teachers only. We can take many examples of teacher. In our ancient time, the greatest king of the Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta. Behind his success, Chanakya was the teacher of him. So in our life, at every step, teacher is the only person who can guide you not only in your studies as well as your life also. Parents can help you, can maintain you, but the teacher is the only person who can teach you, who can give you right ways, who can taught you everything in your life. So never misbehave with them. In today's world, there are so many students who misbehave with their teachers. This is not correct. If you want to get success in your life, or if you want to be anyone, if you want to be a great personality in the world, teacher, you have to be, or you should always be in discipline with your teacher. Never do argument with them. Because to get success, you have to maintain your discipline. And teacher is the only person who maintains your discipline, who taught you about discipline, who taught you everything in your life. So this is the thing which I want to say, that never misbehave with a teacher. Always respect your teachers, not only your teachers but the elders also, because they are also the teacher of your own, because they are also teacher. Thank you so much.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. Here I am Anjali, and I am an RPTN. And today I want to say something about the role of a teacher in a student's life of success. As according to me, a teacher plays a crucial role in the success of a student, because I think that an ideal teacher makes the life of a student perfect, as he knows everything about you, the weakness, where you can fail, where you can fall, and he knows every weakest point of a student. And that's how, after knowing the every weakness of a student, he makes the things hard for their student, so that he can face any kind of difficulties without any kind of problem in his life on the path of success. I think the teacher is like a potter who always tries to give a better shape to their students. He is our mentor, so because he gives us path, good path and bad path. He tells everything about the life problems and difficulties. He just make the students very kind of perfect, so that he never fail in their life if they are alone in their life. And now I am pursuing my graduation, and on this way I have met many kind of teachers who gives me the very kind of idea and solutions where I could stuck in my life. So I am very praiseful towards my teachers who makes me like this, so that I can face any kind of difficulties in my life if I am alone in my life. So at last I just want to say thank you for all my teachers who have given all his efforts to make me perfect for my life.
I am Anya. I am an RPTN. Teachers play a very important role in our success. They always trying to give best studies to us. They always make a good bond between teachers and students. This is very necessary for us.
I am an RPTN. In the way of a success for a life, the role of a teacher is pivotal, crucial, and above in our life. Because from the ancient period, the position of a teacher has been privileged in our society. So no one had replaced the position of a teacher, because he guides us, he teaches us, he gives us morals. So many of the things in our life that can be defined from our teacher. That cannot mean that a person who can teach me a teacher. A teacher is a path seeker. He has the ability, he has the capacity to make an iron smith to an iron man. So the teacher is very crucial roles in our life.